Welcome back to Theme Park Spark. Think every ride in Fantasyland at Disneyland is safe for little kids? Think again. Just because there's no height limit doesn't mean there's no scares. I'm ranking every indoor dark ride from least scary to most scary so you can avoid a mid-ride meltdown. By dark rides, I mean the indoor attractions where the lights go down and the tension goes up. While outdoor rides like Dumbo and the Teacups are pure sunshine, these 5 take some unexpected turns. Let's start with the easiest ones first. Number 1, Peter Pan's Flight. This is the gold standard. It's magical, peaceful, and the only scary part is the 60-minute wait. This is definitely the most popular ride in Fantasyland.
Come on, everybody, here we go!
If your kids loved Peter Pan, next they're ready for Alice in Wonderland. This is my daughter's favorite ride. It's bright and whimsical, but watch out for the Queen of Hearts. Her off with their heads can be a little scary for sensitive ears. Here we go!
The adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell! Down, down, down.
Looking for the white rabbit? Well, have a look around.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit! Wait! Please!
He went this way. No, that way. Went this way something. I'm not sure where I am either.
Wait! Don't go, please!
You could try this way.
But we're painting the roses red. Not pink, not green,
Not aqua!
we're painting the roses red.
We dare not stop!
So let the paint is red.
We'll make
play croquet?
Rule 42. The king always wins.
Goodness!
Yeah.
Dad thought it was done.
Small world over there.
Dad thought the ride was done right
Yeah, we still have the tea party. We still have to go to the tea party.
and that's my favorite part. The tea party is my favorite part. Like, you can't forget about the tea party. That's my favorite part.
Now we're entering the caution zone. Let's start with Pinocchio's daring journey. Don't let the puppet fool you. This one has some genuine jump scares.
Hi, Dilly Dum, an actor's life is fun. With those things, fine and chocolate. Hi, Dilly Dee, an actor's life for me.
This will be your new home.
Look out! Oh no! You're going the wrong way!
Tell you folks won't see easy, Lord. Get them prize then.
No, don't send me away.
Hurry! Let's get out of this place!
Don't leave yet.
Look out! Pinocchio! Well, we made it! I'm so happy.
Now we're moving on to Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. This one is pure chaos. It's fast, loud, and I'm not kidding. You literally end up in hell. It's a classic, but it's definitely intense.
Let's go!
over. Finally, Snow White's Enchanted Wish. Even with a happily ever after update, the evil queen is still the star here. The woods and the spooky atmosphere make this the most intense dark ride in the land.
Soon I'll be fairest in the land.
Hi-ho, and off to work we go.
No, this is not a glitch. I had to mute the music here because of copyright. The evil queen is pretty protective of her music.
On the wall. With this disguise, I'll fool them all.
Once again, I had to mute the music here due to copyright. But fun fact, this is an updated version of Snow White. The opening day attraction was called Snow White's Scary Adventures and didn't even include Snow White anywhere in the ride. It featured the evil queen a lot more. And it used to be much scarier. This is a completely different ending. So if you thought this was scary, you have no idea what it was like before. So would your little ones handle the hellbound toad or the evil queen? Or are you sticking to Dumbo? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about upcoming videos about Disneyland and other fun places worth visiting in Southern California and beyond. See you next time.